Here I've got an Epiphone I think it's an FT-130. It's got bolt-on neck, so makes it quite easy to work on the neck because it does need a neck reset, which for a bolt-on just basically means you need to shim it to get it to the right angle. If I hold this down in the right position, put a straight edge on it, it should clear the bridge back here. However, it bangs right into it. It's pretty low, 16th or so. So I'm going to put a little shim in here and tip it back so this clears it. And that's pretty simple. But the challenging part is everything inside. This here, you can see the top is loose from the heel plate, and there's also a brace inside right here that's loose, completely loose. So I'm gonna take that brace out, clamp and re-glue that, and glue down the top to the heel plate, and I'll come back when I have that set up. Let's see, I can slide a palette knife right underneath all this. Just got to work my way all the way to the back of the brace. It's pretty loose, but I just got to crack that glue. I don't know if I have to add any heat to this or not. It's loose all the way down, but still something's holding it in there, some glue. I got a knife inside. Got to work my way to the end of the brace. And got him right there. Somebody tried to add a bunch of glue, it looks like. Trying to hold down the ends of this brace. Hopefully it's not under the kerfing. Okay, I might have to get a little saw to cut just the tips off to be able to re-glue this. I could take the top off this guitar, that probably wouldn't be that hard. But that's a lot of work for this. It's not really worth it. Although I am experimenting quite a bit, so you may want to attempt that. Let me think about that. I'll figure out what I'm going to do. I'll be right back. Okay, here's what I decided to do. Instead of taking off the whole top just to glue on this brace, it seems ridiculous. So I made a couple of braces to go in between. I'm gonna, it's like a little wedge. It's gonna go in between the upper and the lower ladder braces. So there's a ladder brace on the top that's loose, and there's one on the back that I'm gonna use this to support. And I'm gonna wedge those in on the midway points. I'm gonna put 2 clamps on the end, and then I'm gonna clamp this whole part here, glue the whole thing, let it dry. So, wish me luck, here we go. Okay, now I gotta get some clamps on here. I've rigged up a couple of C-clamps, little spacers underneath it, and then I put some wax paper. It always sticks to my cauls and clamps and never get it off after. So this will help it to get released. Okay, that's good. Now The next thing I want to do, get this on here, and then I can put my cross braces. Just bring it off the edge so I can get a clamp underneath it. My wedges in there. My wedges in there. Have to get a little tool. And just get it started. I can move it to where it's got to go. Okay, let me just get the other one in there, get them tight, and I'll show you what I have. Be right back. Okay, this is what I ended up with. I have, you can see the two wedges. You can see that. Get a little light in there. Hopefully it's focusing on that. 1, 2. So that goes in, and you can see how they're pushing up on the brace in the top, clamp on each end. Brace midway, and then I have this in the center, clamping it down. I was going to put another little clamp like right in the center, but it doesn't either seem necessary or possible. That should do it. Let this dry overnight. See how it worked out. Let you know tomorrow.